So listen, I'm back with another design, something simple and classic, something with the hem length for all sizes, something with a silhouette that is flirty and feminine, something in the color red that has become my favorite color to design with. Red is a color that can be bold by itself without too many additives. It's a color that gives a nice pop as an accent. It's a color that has a confidence without any explanation. It just is. And it's also a color that represents me. I'm a person who can be both bold and delicate. I'm a person who can be both quiet and talkative. I'm complex, just like this simple silhouette designed in a bold color such as red. On this Friday, I'm starting a new series designing dresses that express how I love myself and what that looks like tangibly. Loving yourself goes beyond just therapy and the self work and the self care and the soul care. Sometimes you need to ask yourself, what does it look like tangibly for me to love myself? And I think for me in this season of my life, it looked like wearing dresses. So I say, you know what, Talaya girl, we gonna make us a few dresses, okay? We need to add some dresses to the collection that aren't gowns, something that we can wear every day. And in this particular dress, I'm gonna be honest. I was out here trying to be creative, and she said, "Girl, you're doing too much." And I said, "Girl, you absolutely right." And isn't that just like ourselves, telling ourselves we're doing too much when we're trying to be somebody else but ourselves? That's a word for somebody. I need you to catch that. I hope you caught what I was putting down. So I kept it simple. I decided to go out and buy all of these buttons because I was trying to be creative and trying to push myself. But the more and more I listened to the fabric, the more and more I realized it didn't need all of that. When I looked at the design, I realized it didn't need all of that. And I started looking at myself and I was like, Talaya, girl, you don't need to put yourself in a box. You're not this or that. You're not just someone who is outgoing or someone who is talkative, or you're not just a strong friend. You're a person who also needs affirming, and that's okay. We all need it. You're a person who also has insecurities, but you're also a person who has become very confident and very sure of self. And this being expressed through your design and your creativity and the things that you're doing. So I really hope that helps somebody. And I hope you like my dress. Now I'm gonna be honest, you're gonna get to a part in the video where you're gonna be like, girl, um, I don't know about that one. But I promise you, if you rock with me, you will like the finished outcome. Just keep watching. So I hope you enjoy this Friday. And I hope you enjoy this classic silhouette. And join me on this series. We're making 5 different dresses, and I think y'all gonna like what I'm making. So until then, enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you next time.